Representative Hamdard Alumni Association to felicitate the gathering with few words.
पुराने शहर के मंजर नए लगने लगे मुझको, पुराने शहर के मंजर नए लगने लगे मुझको, तेरे आने से ऐसी फ़िज़ाए शहर बदली है. Good evening to all of you. I'm Ikhwan Ahmed Kamil, and ex-students of Hamdard Public School. Presently, I am a member of Hamdard Alumni Association. I mean, we are a very young association. Though our institute is almost 20 years old, still, I mean, only 20 years old, still we have a substantial number of alumni active in different fields across the globe, and working wonders, doing wonders. So some of them we are having here today. I won't take much of your time. I mean, I'm really thankful to you for coming up on our call and being here with us tonight. Within 2-3 broader points, I want to make clear what our objectives are and what we are planning to do in future. First point is we are really fortunate enough to be associated with two of the greatest leaders of our time, Hakim Abdul Hamid Sahab and Janab Sayyid Hamid Sahab. Their friendship and the way they took forward the aims and the initiatives they took can be a case study for future leaders of our country. I just want to make two points. One is this word often being used today in our daily talks, crony capitalism, and how these two people actually transform this business into social responsibility and taking upon them this responsibility to enlighten a nation, a community. And second thing is how we are often being faced with the talks of Waqf properties being misused. And Hamdard itself is an example of how Waqf can be best managed and used to develop our country and our community. So, and Janab Sayyid Hamid Sahab, a great educationist, he will be joining us soon, inshallah. So, our alumni association actually hopes to take their dreams forward. कि एक शेर है फैज़ अहमद फैज़ का, मैं पढ़ना चाहूँगा अगर इजाज़त हो, कि चश्म नम जाने शोरीदा काफ़ी नहीं, चश्म नम जाने शोरीदा काफ़ी नहीं, तोहमते इश्क पोशीदा काफ़ी नहीं. आज बाज़ार में पाबजोला चलो सॉरी, तो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन, जो उर्दू से उतना नावाकिफ़ है, कि कौम के गम में, देश के गम में जान भारी कर लेना, चश्मे नम और आँखों में आंसू आ जाना, ये तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. आपको बाहर निकलना होगा, नेटवर्क बनाना होगा और काम करना होगा. वी हैव विद अस जनाब कैप्टन निशात साहब, a great leader who has always fought for the marginalized sections of our community. So last year actually we built up this small association. We have great aims, we have great objectives, and we want all of your support to take this association forward. Last year we cascaded the information to as many people as we can. We succeeded to some extent, and there are a substantial number of alumni present here. Some of them are IAS, entrepreneurs. They are active in different fields. So with these words and these lines, which are coming directly from my heart, I extend a warm welcome to you once again. Thank you very much.